Today we have a very rare 1967 Fiat Dino convertible. It is a 2-liter. It has Ferrari's famous 2-liter V6 as an engine. Why is it rare? Well, in my opinion, it's rare because they're very rarely found and seen in this condition. It's fully restored, collector owned, and exceptional in every way. So we're going to take it for a little bit of a ride, and you're coming along. Okay, well, here we go. Starts right up, needs fuel. We will be stopping at the fuel station on the way. These are wonderful, wonderful little cars. You don't see them every day. Jason, what did you just say this was?
I said it's a very charming, fun car.
Oh, he's right. It's cool. It's a 5-speed gearbox. A wonderful, wonderful sound from the 2-liter V6 Dino Ferrari engine, a Ferrari Dino engine. Gearbox second gear synchro is good, which in many cases is not. Nice little whine of the chains. Lovely look out of the windscreen over the Dino-ish front, Ferrari Dino-ish, I should say, front fender lines. Really cool. Seating position is really excellent. And we're going to warm it up. Right back here. Well, as we say, into suburbia we go while we warm her up a little bit still. Water temp is up, oil temp is coming up, and what can I say? They're very, 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 very fun to drive. They're very nimble. This one has got wonderful modern radio with USB capability. It's got rear seats. One thing that I actually love about this Fiat Dino Spider is the fact that the Italians decided on a very special glove box. They said, what are we gonna do for the glove box? We're gonna use the pan that we use it for the oil, and then we're going to use the pan. After we're done, we're going to clean the pan and we're going to put it back in.
Put the glove box back in. It just slides in, nice. That's where you put your biscotti, your espresso.
Is it stuck?
No, it's how it is.
Is it stuck?
I just put it back in.
I can't put it back in. I want my glass. My glass. My glasses. I'm not in. I can't. Oh, it is in. Hey, we got it in. Hey, oh, you got to change the oil again. Here we go. We're going to change the oil. Okay, so, or we use it for some pasta.
Pasta, big bowl of pasta.
Maybe a little salad tray. So it's a very special car.
That's nice.
Yes, it's one of the more special items in this car. We've had a number of these over the years. I can say, which we say about any of them, and it is the case with just about any of our vintage automobiles. If you get an exceptionally good one, it is great. If you get an exceptionally mediocre one, well, I think that's where the Fiat name comes from. Those are the fix-it-again Tonys. So this one is not that. This one wants to be a Ferrari. Super fun, super nimble. They're not slow by any means. They sound great. They turn really well. And they do cruise really well as well, which we'll show you on the farm road. But here's fifth gear, just cruising the back roads. Ciao! Hey, ciao! Hey! Whoa! And then there's the brakes. You see, Bella! Oh, the Bella, she was like a Sophia Loren, and I missed the first gear. Really not much to say. It's just a boatload of fun. It's absolutely superb. It's extremely fun. Sounds awesome. We're going to show you the car from the outside as soon as Jason gets out, and you're going to love its look on the road as well as the sound as we go by. It's very... That really wasn't. It was more of a big V8. But how about that one? That one better? Yeah, today is one of those road tests. I hope you're all enjoying it. Well, I hope you enjoyed the flybys and enjoyed the car from the outside as well as the sound of it going by. I can tell you I very much enjoy making it make those sounds that you hear while I go by. It is fun, fun, fun. Not like your daddy took the T-Bird away, more like if you don't bring this car home, there's going to be no pasta tonight for you. That kind of angry. So, we'll get to the farm road in a couple minutes and show you how it goes as far as power-wise from the inside. Okay, on to the farm road, the FFR road. First gear, second gear, third, fourth, really lovely gearbox, fifth. So obviously you can cruise and cruise and cruise and cruise. If you want to get on it, she's no slouch. And obviously we don't have to stand on the brakes because there's no more Bella on the side of the road, so we're just going to brake gently, downshift a little bit. And thank you for watching, and I hope you really enjoyed this road test. It has got no disappointments, and it is one of those wonderful Italian open air cars that it's just lovely in every way. From the lines, to the mechanicals, to the driving position, and it exudes character. So, thanks again for watching, and if you have any questions, by all means, you know where to contact us. We look forward to them.